Hello guys, welcome to my new video and I want to show you how to install the Android Studio for Windows 10. First, I will show you do you just go to the official page. For example, in my page is Google, write Android Studio. Remember, this is so important to write the official page, okay? This is page. Download the studio, Android Studio. Click here and remember to see the minimum requirement and compare my PC. For example, in down page, okay, system requirement. In my case, I have the Windows system operating system Windows 10 and the minimum 4 GB RAM minimum and 8 GB RAM recommend here and hard disk on my minimum 2 2 GB, so this is negative 20 200 or 100 GB. You must you must have you must you must have and if you have a different operating system, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS, it is good to say if and my different operating system here is discretion. Okay. Click here. In my case, I have and see you in the next video.